DJI's latest agricultural drone. The MG-1P series supports multiple aircraft's control from a single remote controller. One pilot can simultaneously control up to 5 aircrafts with a single remote controller, reducing operational cost and completing more tasks in a shorter time frame. The spraying system uses aerospace composite materials that resist corrosion and double surface life. Leakage-proof nozzles can be started or stopped in just half a second. A 5-meter spraying width lets the MG-1P series cover an average of 6 hectares per hour. Dual searchlights help ensure safe operation in low light. With a 123-degree wide-angle camera, the MG-1P series supports HD video transmission, displaying real-time information of the surrounding field while providing a reference for obstacle avoidance. Equipped with an omnidirectional radar system that integrates 3 high-precision detection radars and 1 obstacle avoidance radar. It can detect objects as small as a half a centimeter power line from up to 15 meters away. An onboard FPV camera lets users record waypoints during flight, facilitate route planning, and avoid the trouble of manual recording to increase efficiency and save time. It also analyzes the terrain to adjust aircraft altitude to achieve safe operation. The radar system is protected by IP67 casing for an all-weather durability and convenient maintenance. Low-altitude flight can be controlled from up to 3 kilometers away, while ensuring stable communications in even complex operation environments.